Oh, did he not hop in the trail yet? Oh, no. I know. It really sets you up to just keep moving fast. Well, at least we know these trails a little bit. I won't remember them to a T, but... From the 450 vibrations. Big power. Knocking down trees. I'm comfortably in second gear, just sitting, cruising. Yeah, I'm just cruising right now in second, coming up. Yeah, you want to keep going this way or you want to go that way? Yeah, he's going left. Oh, okay. Yep, and he's moving. That little kid's moving. No, we didn't go this way yesterday, so I'm down. Hey, that's fine. I'm cool with it. I want to experience all these little cut-through trails, man. They're fun. You get some of those really nice little hill climbs and stuff in there. It's nice. Ooh, I got good air on that second one. Why not? Just send it. Dude, I just did it. No problem. It's actually better today than it was yesterday. I don't know how. Yep, we stopped here yesterday and then we took a left. Good riding, man. Good riding. We're keeping good pace through there too. That's good. We're gonna go straight and loop around left because we went left yesterday and this will meet up with that apparently. Haha, I passed you now. Haha, see you later. These trails are just so much fun back here. You catch some really good lines back here. And then come into this big berm, hell yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can see how much muddier that is, huh? Wow. That was funny, Kyle. You were like, bah. Oh, you got me that time. My lens is covered in mud. I got a giant black spot on my lens. Got my chest pretty good too. It's all good. Oh, I remember this part. Oh, this is that pretty cool climb. You good back there, babe? All right. Dude, I want to go back up that just to hit that berm again. That berm sets you up so perfect back there. You just dip in so far and it just sets you up so perfect. Oh, that's a good one. This is right where we got screwed yesterday and started noticing it was gonna rain. This is that cool, yeah, this is that cool hill drop, right? Yeah, cool. Where it's like half asphalt coming down this. I just came down that like 20-25. I'm pretty sure. That's a nice little drop. This is a section we didn't get a chance to ride yesterday. No, because we took that left up there. Yeah, that's the main corridor. This is it's gonna take us back to where we started, right at the road. Yeah, so we didn't do all this yesterday. This is cool. You're like right on the side of the mountain, man. Whew, coal? Okay. Bricks! Yellow brick road. This is interesting, huh? I'm gonna need fuel soon. Yeah. Now we're just gonna loop back up all the way around. That's all. All right. Good loop. Good soup.